We invited 51 of them to this campus, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, and it's true that we have from Jammu and Kashmir and from Kerala, from the Northeast and Maharashtra.
We're representing Sun City School from Haryana.
कॉन्वेंट स्कूल चंडीगढ़।
मैं गवर्नमेंट सीनियर सेकेंडरी स्मार्ट स्कूल कबूलशा कुब्बन डिस्ट्रिक्ट फाजिलका स्टेट पंजाब से आया हूँ।
We are from Army Guru School.
हमारे स्कूल का नाम रायगढ़ जिला परिषद प्राथमिक स्कूल पेजारी है।
From Belem Girls School, Uttarakhand, Dehradun.
From Vidya School, Gurugram.
We present to you our project Step and Sense Maths for specially abled children.
So our project is basically to prevent death while people are taking a shower.
जब हमने सर्वे किया तो हमें पता चला कि लोगों की मेन प्रॉब्लम वो यही आ रही है कि वो कोल्ड स्टोर की वेजिटेबल्स को खा रहे हैं और उनकी सेहत के लिए वो सही नहीं है। तो इस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के लिए हमने ये फार्म बनाया है।
ये हमारा एक ऐसा मॉडल है जो फुली ऑटोमेटिक रिवॉर्ड बेस्ड स्मार्ट डस्टबिन है।
भारत एक कृषि प्रधान देश है, इसलिए हमने ये मक्का छिलने का मशीन बनाया है। We have created a smart traffic management system which adapts to real-time conditions to adjust traffic flow accordingly.
We have created our prototype on emergency vehicle road clearance system that ensures emergency vehicles like ambulance and fire brigades reach their destination without any delays.
We have created our very own machine called Eco Drifter, which basically picks up the floating plastic waste present in the water. It uses a conveyor belt mechanism and also uses a 100 RPM Johnson's motor.
Plaksha has been born with that vision that technological innovation is going to sit at the heart of our development.
What a great initiative by the university. I am truly excited about what Plaksha is trying to do, what Plaksha is trying to be, and I am very hopeful and personally committed to the future of Plaksha.
It's interesting to see what the students have done, and some of them are a little formulaic or something, but the ones who really take it seriously, it's impressive. They're like watching Thomas Edison or something like that.
Some of them feel very different to what you would say is a day-to-day problem, and it's very interesting to see the younger generation's perspective on what are the challenges and how they can go about it.
The kind of thought process each of the teams have put into to address different challenges in the society, particularly in and around where they live, and the thought they have put in and the effort they have put in to come up with a solution at their level has been really, really amazing.
The most exciting part about judging this competition is that I'm loving the enthusiasm of these school students, and I'm liking how these bright young minds are actually thinking of real problems and then thinking of innovative solutions. It's very inspiring and very rejuvenating, and for me as an entrepreneur to see these young minds.
I think it's inspirational, to say the least, and the fact that Plaksha is able to do this pan-India to get people and students from 18-20 different states across the country, that's exciting and, as I said, inspirational.
The experience of YCL as usual is rock solid. In one word, I'm thrilled to see that as Atmanirbhar.
We all really enjoyed our experience here. The second we walked in, actually, we all were in shock because the university was huge. It looked actually like a foreign university.
We are not going to rest till India is number one in the world.